Okay, guys, we're trying to work the pump right here. Squirted all over Will. Rip Will. Or sorry, Commander Geo, sub to him. Watch it pour out.
Oh my god, I'm not even clicking.
Watch it. Just watch it in high definition. Watch it squirt and splish on the ground as my phone gets somewhat wet. Oh! Oh. Whoa, 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 chill.
What is this?
And then you can just do that and it pumps.
Oh wait. Whoa, look at this! I activated 2 louder patterns at once. Ouch, Jesus, I hurt my hand.
Oh.
You know, this is getting pretty sus. Bye. Okay, guys, we've been staring at the moon for quite a long time now. We've decided. Yeah, Stanley's gonna get us, or Jason, who cares? I mean, yeah, oh shoot. Okay, well, we decided on a name for the Mega Chungus pancakes. They're gonna be called the Thick Chungai. Best name ever.
They put that on bed toaster.
Okay, guys. We're walking down a trail, prepared to get jumped by serial killers because y'all know that it's actually Friday the 13th. There's supposed to be a lunar eclipse tonight, but who knows? Wait, is there a shadow up there? There's a cult actually up the road. Oh my gosh, this is so scary, IRL. We're all gonna die young.
People up there.
Oh yeah. I remember in one other camp out, there was like this mariachi cult that was summoning demons to eat children. Because I remember
at the September camp out 2 years ago, I think. There was a pathway that went like really far back, and at night, someone was saying that there was like 3 guys summoning a spirit, and they were dressed in this dark velvet red, and they were eating like something.
Gonna fit.
Ceremonial chicken or something.
bear chicks wings with sauce. But there's a forest right next to where we're sleeping, so we might be jumped in the middle of the night by a Joey, which is probably actually gonna happen. William is a T-posing god. Worship him or else. Okay, as you can see, Commander Geo is eating the ceremonial chicken to worship the spirits. He's also snorting something. I don't think that's supposed to happen. And Joey just like bumped into me. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, we're running through the forest on the 6th, Friday the September of the 13th. And there's canyons there. That's probably not a good sign. Never mind that. I'll probably edit that. And here we are, back at the barrier. Oh my god, someone put white stuff all over it.
Forward button. Choose the consequences, New Mexico.
Kids like these make me want to keep on vlogging into the night. You know, this kid looks a whole lot like Shaggy, and this guy keeps on mentioning towns in New Mexico. Honestly, memes like these are just keeping me alive. Also, plus, fun fact, he's sniffing my ear, cool. Fun fact.
A bee stung me, ow.
No, I don't.
Ow, a bee just stung me.
Ooh, that's a
Right
rip.
there. Ow.
Where's the bee?
Ow, it's right there.
Where?
Ow.
But memes like this, dude, maybe it could have been the main character from the Bee movie. IRL, dude, it's somewhere in there. Oh my gosh. It's Friday the 13th, guys. Oh my gosh.
Bees.
Memes are turning against us. Trust no one. Trust. Okay, guys, I just delivered a crate. Honestly, I'm pretty pooped because it's mega thick. And I'm probably gonna make a friendship bracelet out of this. I'm just kidding, I'm not diseased. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a night. You know, it's looking pretty dope around here. Let's go. Yeah. You know, I'm probably just gonna sleep on this gravel. Who cares if I have a sore back? I mean, whatever. I guess see you tomorrow morning when I start vlogging again. I mean, unless something incredible happens to me. I might wake up at 3 a.m. and vlog then to see if Stanley or Jason actually come out of their lairs in the woods.
Gonna fit.
Okay, guys.
It's gonna fit.
Hate to break it to you, but this is probably going to be my last.
It's gonna fit.
On Friday the 13th. Stanley's gonna. Well, I'm gonna be banging this thing into a hole. Actually, never mind. He seems to be doing a good job of it. But he said he's bad at putting things in holes, so I said if you're camping, you're gonna disappoint Mother Nature. And then they all started laughing, and I said, yeah. I mean,
It's gonna fit.
okay, Will or Commander Geo has some quotes to survive the night of the Friday the 13th of September.
If your homies with the bromies
The boat.
Yes, fam.
go, yes, the slowmies.
What is it, Mikey boy?
No.
Okay, what's your final quote of the vlogging day? Okay, that was a very interesting quote. Do you have any quotes to survive the night of the Friday the 13th?
No.
Okay, guys. Back with another video. You know, I'm about to hit the hay pretty soon, but first, you know, me and the fam thought we'd tell some spooky, scary stories on the 13th. Wait, okay, cool.